Yo, um, why does this always happen, bro? Why does this keep happening? The days I decide not to trade, because I was like, let me just sleep in, like whatever. The days I decide not to trade are like the most easiest fucking days ever. Like, what the actual fuck? Why does this keep happening? It's like, oh, Darian's not gonna trade. Let's make it a very easy day. Yeah. I mean, I did say I was gonna continue trading every day because I noticed this kept happening, but I don't know, man. Felt like I could end on a really good note this week because we were already 3 for 3. But now I'm looking at this shit and we would have been 5 for 5, bruh. Counting Asia session, it literally would have been such an easy fucking day. Like, bruh, this would have been such a easy day. I mean, this reminds me of when I would trade Nasdaq and I would see Nasdaq go up, and I would know like, yeah, we're gonna have a nasty, easy reversal on the way down. This was one of those days on gold. Like, it doesn't get any easier than this. This is like one of the best type of days. Very clear supply, liquidity levels up here that got swept. We touched we touched these highs, bruh. And we know every time it got around this area, it dumped. It dumped every single time and then it melted. Guess what? It went right back up. It hit this level up here, gave me an entry signal that I obviously didn't take because I was asleep or just was like, fuck it, fuck all. And it would have been such a easy take profit, bro. This would have been a bit slightly bigger than a 1 to 1. I probably would have closed like around here, to be honest. I would have closed around that level. But damn, nigga, really, we would have made some dough. Speaking of niggas, it would have been a federal holiday anyway. So, I mean, yes, it was an easy day, but at the same time, bruh, if I would have lost, I wouldn't have really had much room to trade because last time I traded on a federal holiday, it was a fucking nightmare. The market gave me a clean ass entry and did the complete opposite. So I don't want to trade on a federal holiday again. Honestly, I'm good. I'll pass. So it's not that bad, but at the same time, I'm at a point now where I'm really starting to understand my system more and more and get better at it. So a lot of these days that used to be losing days are now turning into either break even days or profitable days. And it's just like, eh, statistics statistically speaking, the next day that doesn't even matter anymore. I just understand shit a hell of a lot better now. So it's like statistically speaking, for the most part, you're going to be profitable no matter what, as long as you keep doing what you're doing. So who cares? So yeah, I just wanted to show this and be like, yeah, bruh, your boy knows what the fuck he's doing. Your PC only has 30 memory. Stop the fucking cat, bro. This computer has so much fucking memory, bruh. Y'all probably can't see it because my video is down here, but saying your PC only has 30 available. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck. This is actually a pretty good laptop, honestly. I got the Intel Core Ultra 9. You know what that means. We got some good speed. We got a good amount of RAM in this bitch. I got the Acer 14 AI, Acer Aspire 14 laptop. I was reading about laptops online about this and that, and this one seemed good and it made sense. A lot of the sources were saying, "Oh, you got to get a H laptop if you want to have games and edit and this and that and blah blah blah." This is good enough. This computer's fast. It's touchscreen too. I mean, I'm touching the screen right now. See that shit? I don't use it often, the touchscreen, but it's cool to have and use every now and then. I mostly use a mouse, honestly, because with trading and all that, it's very easy to do my executions and all that with a mouse. Say I want to go right here, I could go like that, boom, boom, all that junk, as opposed to using my finger. I could really use my finger and all that shit, but it's just easier to do the executions with a PC, a laptop, and a mouse and all that shit. The computer costs like a band though, so yeah. I mean, you can always affirm that shit or Klarna that shit if you don't want to pay a band up front. So it's no big deal. But yeah, I think, man, it's going to make you more money if you know how to trade. So it's more so an investment. Maybe you can write it off. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here on a note of I've actually decided not to do these daily trade recaps anymore. I recorded a fitness video and trading video yesterday. I just got to chop it up now and edit things together. So yeah, this will be the last video, the last trade recap video I post for a while, because I don't think it's gonna be like I'm never doing this ever again. It's more so like I'm gonna put the daily trade recaps on hold because I just don't want to do them anymore. I just want to do the a little bit higher quality videos weekly, go back to that and go from there. Matter of fact, the channel actually did better when I did that. Like legit. I look back at when I was posting, when I was doing the Mamba FX thing, and even when I was doing the weekly thing on when I started posting on here again, and the weekly videos overall, they've actually performed better. So I don't know, maybe the algorithm just prefers weekly videos, or maybe I just do better videos when I post weekly. I think that's it. Think I just do better videos when I post weekly. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm thinking about doing these trade recaps as YouTube shorts instead, along with the fitness shorts on the side. But yeah, we're gonna be documenting that funny elite thing, and throwing in some fitness in there and all that jazz. I also want to do something that stands out a bit more, something that's a bit different, because so many people are talking heads and trade recaps and charts, and it's kind of like overplayed in a bit. I don't see many people doing the fitness and the trading and this and that, and that fitness, and that helps me stay a bit more unique because, like I said in another video, fitness has always been my thing, and working out, and already have a great physique, so I might as well just use that to my fucking advantage and all that. So yeah, we're gonna end the video here. Do what works for you. Trade every day. Trade every day, because you could catch an easy ass day like this and not miss it. Gosh, so much money can be left on a table like this, bro. So much money could be left on the table. This is like thousands of fucking dollars left on the freaking table, bro. I'm out. Do what works for you.